look 2 of the Makeup Revolution Icon palettes. Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. First one was Eternal Icon and this one is called the Enchanted Icon, and these are the colors. I did also use a different palette just to get a purple, a matte purple, but it was just one color that I used and it was this one. It's this one. It has such gorgeous iridescent eyeshadows. So if you guys know me, you know I focus mostly on the base. So to have fun, the first one I kind of went a little simple with it. I know I added a graphic liner which was just simple, but this one I went a little ham. So I'm gonna really have fun with this eyeshadow. But let's get into the tutorials. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, I've already swatched some of the colors, but let me swatch some for you again so you guys can see this gorgeous color we're going to be playing into. Obviously the base is already done. We are focusing on the eyes, and you have to have a really good eyeshadow base. And I'm using the Rebel London concealer, and I'm going to leave it tacky because I feel like when it's a little tacky it really makes those colors pop. I'm going in with this dark deep plum. It's almost black but it's really not, and I'm just putting it on an angular side on the end of my eyes, and we're gonna blend that in because we're doing a more slanted halo eye. It's not the regular halo eye, but it's more of the slanted one. And the key to this eyeshadow is a lot of blending. So I decided to go in my other Revolution eyeshadow palette because I didn't have that purple that I wanted, because I kind of wanted the look to be purple because I was going off that eyeshadow I swatched for you earlier, and I'm just blending it on the sides just to give it that defined look. Not defined, but more of a different color, just you have different dimensions of color blending in, and then we're finally using that color. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's like silver, it's like lilac, definitely gorgeous. And I'm putting it more slanted because it's not in the middle, it's a slanted halo eye. Then I'm going in again with that purple eyeshadow that I used from the Birds of Paradise palette from Makeup Revolution, just to define that purple by making sure that deep plum is there. I'm not cutting my crease, but I'm defining that slanted halo eye. I don't even know, it's not a cut crease, but it's a define, I don't know, whatever you call it, right? Makeup is always advancing. So yeah, I'm just making sure that line is more sharp, that side. It's not like fluffy, and it's the eyeshadow is not everywhere. So yeah, that's what I did. Nice. So also on the edge, just making sure that's sharp because I can't use a wipe because I've got already my base on. And then we're going in with a lighter color which is more similar to the other iridescent color, and I'm just putting it in my water, not my waterline, my inner corner, and we're gonna put our liner, and look how gorgeous this is just gonna look when my liner is on. Absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna pop on some lash, and I'm gonna make sure they're more on the winged side so they really just go with the look. And then I'm gonna use that purple again under my eyes because I don't want anything smoky underneath, because the top is doing the talking already. It's enough. So I'm just adding that, and then I'm adding a sprinkle of that color just in the middle of the bottom of my eyes, obviously, just to give it a little sparkle, nothing too much. I really played around with this eyeshadow. It literally took me out of what I usually do. You guys, you know what I do. You already know from my videos, okay? So we're gonna go right ahead and finish up with my lips, you know, the same nudie lip combo that I do because the eyes are already doing too much. Okay, it's a brown lip combo that this is such a gorgeous nude gloss on women of color. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I did, and I'm so gutted that I'm gonna have to take this makeup off because it's literally like almost 6 p.m. in the UK, and it's not like me to usually record. I usually like to record in the morning so then I can wear the makeup throughout the day, but I've got another video to film, like, which is, so anyway, it don't matter. So I'm so annoyed, and it's a Friday as well. I don't go out like that, so yeah, I'm gonna have to take this makeup off. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did you like the first look? We're gonna vote at the end, where I'm gonna show all the pictures so you guys can tell me which one was your favorite. And also get these palettes. They're only like retail around £4. Yeah, and they're super pigmented, obviously, as you can see on my eyes. So anyway guys, see you in the next video. Bye.